Bro, I was just like straight munching on some lettuce, and then like this dude came and like totally crushed me.
All right, we're gonna harvest some vegetables and then cook it and eat them.
Yummy.
Look at the size of some of these chards. Look at this big old guy back here. Boom. Wow. Now I'm gonna get some of these ground dwellers here.
Yeah, these ones that are
These low boys. Oh, look at that.
Feel like a
fan yourself with the greens.
Oh, right. This
Yeah, yeah.
This tree trunk here.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow.
Let's see. Arm for scale. Look. Boom.
Wow.
It's a full on like I don't
Arms
know,
like-
2.5, 3 feet.
That's crazy. Oh, we're gonna get this carrot.
Makes me.
Look at it. Look at it just teasing me. Poking up. That is the weirdest little three-pronged carrot I've ever seen. Yeah! We got a surfer bro carrot.
Shot, bro. So you're
Crazy.
going.
I guess they just don't ever grow that big.
Don't know. It's the first time I've grown carrots.
So weird. Look at that bushel of greens. Now you gotta play get around the
Come around the
rose
rose
bush
bush.
without getting
Yeah,
stabbed.
let's cut that too. Alright, you want some basil?
Yes.
Here.
That's pretty good. Now that's enough. Perfect. Look at that basket.
Need any lettuce? Just throw in there.
Sure. Just put down.
Freaking yellow bugs.
Bro, I was just like straight munching on some lettuce, and then like this dude came and like totally crushed me. Bro, I'm not going here. I'm going into that other plant that doesn't do anything to protect their plants. You know what I'm saying, dog? Here?
No, it's the Lesia pepper, which is like the adversity. Just grab them.
Well, here's one,
Ooh.
and here is two. Oh, there's another one there too. I'll let that one stay.
Yeah, let that one slide.
Now, I've never tried one of these, so let's give it the old. Oh, good.
Yeah, he said it was like a bell pepper.
Yeah, it's not hot at all.
And then so we're gonna stop growing. So.
Mmm.
All right, and let's get a jalapeno or two. Give me a real crinkly one.
Yeah, real veiny one.
Yeah.
Those are the hot guys. Hot boys. I like them hot boys. There's another one. Oh, yeah. That's not very big. Oh, that one's pretty big.
All right.
Here, let's give it the old.
Here are a couple tomatoes from a neighbor who also has a garden.
Got a pretty good haul from the garden.
Let's go cook it up.
Ooh.
The MTV Cribs edit. Greens, man.
You ready?
Yeah, you ready?
Let's do it. Cook.
So I'm gonna.
All right, so I went ahead and got all of our greens chopped up, including our kales and our chards and our carrot tops, basil, all that good stuff, along with some onion. So we're gonna go ahead and put that in the Instapot here on saute over medium heat to get them all cooked up the way we like it. We're gonna throw in some seasonings here too, so I'll show those to you as well. Garlic powder. So many berries. Blam. Ow. Onions fall back good. I'm good. Jeez.